parking light. And switch back to turn signal. Then let's go back and put the turn signal back on. I mean the parking light back on. And there you go. Lovely. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another quick one for you. So we're still working on the 2012 MDX. Let me show you what we're working on. Basically we're trying to do switchback turn signal LED. Let me show you. So basically this is the turn signal, so we want to also make it do switchback. So my friend bought the kit, so he did the installations himself. I'm gonna finish it off. So let me show you real quick what it looks like now. So right now guys, this only do turn signal, so we're gonna make it be also do part of the DRL, so that's what we're gonna change here. So let's go and work on this. So as you can see guys, the way this works, you connect this to the original bulb housing or bulb connector, and then this is a little heat. Hopefully it's a good spot for it, but we'll see, because I know these things get hot. And then it comes with this extra cable that we're gonna need to have power for. So let me figure this whole thing out and see what I need to do. I think it needs power to be able to get power from the other DRL that's in there. I think that would make more sense, but let me grab the cable. All right guys, so this is the extra cable that it comes with. It has a fuse and a little connector right here. So what I'm gonna do, so the short part is gonna go on where the closest to the fuse box. The other long part is gonna go to the driver's side. So let me run the cable now. I want to put a little bit of tape on it, so give me a second guys. Okay guys, let's connect this guy and run the cable. Okay, let's get some zip ties. Let's zip tie everything guys. Alright guys, as you can see, I zip tied everything. I routed the cable all the way through, rerouted these cables right there. I think I'm gonna see if I can find a little screw I can put here to hold it. I don't know yet, we'll see what I can do. But for now, this side is almost done. I just got to figure out which one is daytime running light. Now let's just cut all the zip ties. All of these are no longer needed. Okay, so where these cables are looks good. Okay guys, so all the cable I've wrapped up. They go all the way through here. So I think I showed you already. So it goes from the original connector to this, and then goes to the bulb. Sorry, and goes to the bulb right up here. So the bulb is one of the little, it's not a twist, you just pop it and it's like a little rubber. So that's all gone. And then I route the cables all the way through here, and then I have to finish this up right there. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, we are gonna attach it to those little white parking lights that are there. This is the cable where it's connected, so I'm gonna get power from one of these guys and then connect these lights, and I'll show you what that is. So I already unplugged the connector, so I'm just gonna take out the tape. All right guys, normally the black is ground, but let's test it anyway. All right, so the black is ground and the white is power. So easy. We know for sure, but you never trust it. Sometimes the color doesn't mean anything. Now I'm gonna strip that back a little bit. Let me go get my tool. Okay, so let's, if I can, in between here, strip it a little bit. I think that tool is messed up. Okay, so we're gonna attach that cable right up here. Okay, so before we do anything, let's go turn it on and test it. So as you can see, it works exactly the way I wanted it to work. So now when he put his parking light on, let me show you real quick. So parking light, and switch back to turn signal. Then let's go back and put the turn signal back on. I mean the parking light back on. And there you go. Lovely. Okay, let's button everything up, get my soldering iron, and then button the cable, put a couple more zip tie and make everything look pretty. All right guys, so now we're gonna put a little bit of soldering on this guy. So let me grab my soldering iron. Put a little bit of tape on it. Okay, she's ready. Let's tape that also. Shish kebab. So route this cable through here. All right guys, I ran the wire through. Let me put the fuse, a little fuse in there. Okay, there we go. Let's do one more test before I put everything back. All right, it's working. Let's button all these guys up and then figure out where to mount these guys for a second. Cut the zip tie. Okay. Okay guys, so for this one, I think this little hole would be perfect. What I'm gonna do is cut the zip tie. All right guys, so I reattached this. I put a zip tie right here to hold it, and then I put it on this bolt right here. It's very steady. It's not moving at all, which is perfect. I don't want to put anything right on top of it because I know it gets really hot, so I think one zip tie right here and under this should hold it perfectly good. Let's go and do the same thing on the other side. Let's cut this zip tie off. We're gonna do the same way. That doesn't hold it too well. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, put one zip tie right there. Let's try that. All right, got it. Okay. All right guys, so this is very steady. It's not going anywhere. All the cables are routed. That part is done. All right guys, now we know that everything is working. Let's put the cover back on. Okay, close the hood. Alright guys, the project for the MDX is all done. The lights look nice. At night you'll see what they look like. I'll get you another video in a little bit. Okay guys, I wanted to show you the lights that I did. Let me show you what they are. See how bright they are. So that's what they look like right now. I tap into this little guy right here and then connected this guy. So that's what they look like. Let me put on the turn signal on one of them so you guys can see. So see if you can see the difference. So now when you put on the turn signal, it blinks. When you don't, it looks like this. It's a nice little blue too. It's white and bluish. I don't know if you could see. It looks really good. I like it. Two together. So looks really good. Let me go back and put it on to normal so you guys can see again the difference. Here it is. This project is all done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. You guys know the drill. Until the next time, peace.